In this video, I'm going to explain how to pair a Huawei Watch GT2, Watch GT2e or the older Watch GT with a Samsung or any other Android smartphone. It's crucial to follow this process step by step, so try as much as possible to watch this video till the end. The first thing is to unpair the watch from your previous device. To do this, swipe down from the top of the Huawei Watch GT and click the settings icon. Scroll down and click System, then Disconnect. If the watch is brand new, then the pairing mode is enabled automatically on first boot. With that out of the way, the next step is to install the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. But for proper functioning, the Health app requires Huawei mobile services. You can get it by installing the HMS Core APK. The best source is from Huawei's own app gallery. You can download the Huawei app gallery from their official website by using the direct link which I will leave in the description below. After clicking Install Now, you will be redirected to the download page. You may be required to enable permissions for your web browser to download APK files. Once completed, click Open, then after the prompt, click Install. Great! So you've now installed the Huawei app gallery on your Android smartphone. Open the app and agree to the terms and conditions. The app gallery requires permission to make and manage phone calls. After that, search for HMS Core and install it. You have to grant the Huawei app gallery permission to install apps on your smartphone. On the first run of HMS Core, you will be prompted to sign in with your Huawei ID. If you don't have one, then create a new account. Okay, so HMS Core installation is completed. Now you can install the Huawei Health app from the Google Play Store. Just type Huawei Health app in the search bar and click Install. After installation, agree to the terms and log in with your Huawei ID. The app needs the following permissions: internet access, phone call access, and location data. Alright, now that we've got all the necessary apps installed, it's time to pair the smartwatch. Select Devices at the bottom right and click Add a device. You can add as many devices as you want, but the app can only connect to one specific device at a time. After clicking Add, select Smartwatch. On the list of smartwatches, select Huawei Watch GT2 series and click Pair. It takes a moment to scan for available devices. Once found, select your watch from the list and the app will send it a Bluetooth pairing request. Accept the pairing request on your watch. Allow the watch to access your contacts and call history, then smack the like button to support my channel. You must enable notification access for Huawei Health. So, click Enable, scroll down to the Huawei Health app, toggle it on and click Allow. Then, return to the notifications settings on the Huawei Health app. Turn on notifications for each app you want and click Done. To add a second or third device, just visit the device menu once more, then repeat the pairing process. So, there you have it. That's how to pair a Huawei Watch GT to a Samsung smartphone or any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this. You can also leave a comment below if you have any further questions, and I'll do my best to answer all. Thanks for watching. It's been Neba, and I'll catch you in the next one.